Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the tour of Hershey's Chocolate World. Actually, this is Hershey's Park, which is a huge one with beautiful garden and rides to enjoy upon. But due to shortage of time, we just went to Hershey's Chocolate World, which is around 2 hours from New York. First, I will show you the chocolate showroom with lots and lots and lots of chocolates and other goodies and merchandise. Actually, there are too many chocolate worlds in US, but we are here in Philadelphia. And this is the main showroom from where you can buy different type of Hershey's chocolates and bakery items. And this just smells chocolates and nothing else. Hershey's don't buy milk from other companies. They have their own dairy farm. And this is the replica how they produce milk and other milk products to make their chocolates. Now we are entering the factory area, means the replica of actual factory through these toy cars. Now watch the video till end. I will show you the complete process of how the chocolates are made from processing the milk to shipping. Complete video I have taken. Just watch. Sweet inspiration from the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world. We make it chocolate the Hershey way. You can taste the love all over the world. Have fun at the factory, everybody!
कैमरा 4 में
आग लगी होगी। कैसे चलता है?
पूरा प्रोसेस दिखा रहा है। नकली है, पूरा प्रोसेस दिखा रहा है कैसे क्या होता है।
नकली चिपकी हुई
नकली है, वो दिखा रहा है प्रोसेस। नहीं नकली है। ये देखिए अब रोस्टिंग मतलब एक एक प्रोसेस दिखा रहा है कैसे कैसे होता है।
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinct. To make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweet milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection just by
authenticity go hand in hand in hand as smooth as silk.
We dry the chocolate crumbs to a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumbs into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate and special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Hey, let's all
get
get a
busy,
picture
guys.
together. Big smiles. 1, 2, 3.
Group photo time, everyone. Ready, Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
And at the end of this tour, this factory tour, we got complimentary Hershey's chocolate to taste upon. Yeah, free chocolates. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please do comment and do subscribe for more videos of this type. Thank you so much.